What up, great people? It's your favorite guy here, Lawrence from LOfitnez, and today we shall learn how to transit from the one hand swing into two moves. If you're new to this channel and you want to learn how to jump rope, perfect your jump rope trick or work out to be fit, hit that subscribe button and turn on notification. These transitions will spice up your combos and you nail it like the boss you are. So without further ado, let's see this move in action. Hello and welcome to the tutorial proper. I'd like us to learn the perfect grip for this move so that we can nail it without much stress. To grip correctly, you have to press the rope between your thumb and your index finger just before the handles of the rope. Make sure you grip firmly, so while you're in the one hand swing, you can easily release the second handle to the second hand. The first move we shall transit into is the side swing, and in this case the double side swing. What you do here basically is to swing the rope from one side, and once the hand that swings the rope crosses the body, it releases the second handle to the second hand. Then you enter the double side swing and gradually whip open for you to enter the move. That's simple, guys. Let's watch from different angles to better understand this move. The hand that spins the rope, the hand that swings the rope has to cross the body to the other side, releasing the handle to the second hand, while both hands goes into the double spin side swing and whips open for you to enter the move. If you have not seen our double side swing tutorial, it's linked down in the description below to help you better understand this move. The second transition here is the movement into the kneeling hello jump rope trick, and this time we are going to start with a single leg hop. So what you basically do here is, once your hand is spinning the rope into the one hand side swing, it crosses the body just to release the rope to the second hand, and that way you are into the hops with your legs while you whip open with the rope. Make sure you whip very well so that the rope can clear space for your foot to pass. If you don't whip very well, the rope will get caught with your foot and you trip. Remember, this trick is very simple, and the number of time you practice determines how fast you learn it. So always practice, guys, to nail this move and start entering your move. Start nailing this move like the boss you are. So this is a good entry for your combos, a very nice entry for your combos. Like, you start with the one hand side swing and you enter a move transiting through either the one leg hop kneeling hello move, or you use the double spin side swing. Which part of this move do you need to work on? Let us know in the comment section. Thank you for staying with us to the end. Your support has taken us this far and we are really happy to have you. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your loved one, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and turn on notification to catch up with our new content. Until next time, remain beautiful, handsome, be fit, and most importantly, stay healthy. Take care of yourself, guys. Enjoy.